Andrea Pedretti has a vision. He wants to build a gravity-assisted battery to compensate for the fluctuating nature of solar and wind energy. If it works, it'll be able to store millions of times more energy than a conventional household battery.
My vision is a system for storing large amounts of energy so we can increase the share of renewable energies in the grid. Right now, it's about 30 to 35%. That's the limit because the sun doesn't shine constantly. What we need is a more economical and efficient storage system.
And this is what his batteries will look like. Towers 60 to 120 meters high, made of hundreds of cement blocks built around a 6-armed crane. When there's excess energy in the grid, it will power electric motors, which move the crane arms to lift and stack the 35-ton blocks. Now the battery is charged. When electricity is needed, the blocks are let down again. Generators in the crane arms turn the potential energy of the stacked blocks into electrical energy, which is returned to the grid. This leaves the tower discharged. Pedretti's cement blocks essentially function the way the water in a pumped storage hydroelectric plant does, but with the advantage, according to the inventors, that the towers can be built on any terrain and are cheaper.
We can store the energy very cheaply because we use existing technology like motors and generators, mechanical systems that have been around for 100 years.
This seemingly simple idea has garnered quite a lot of attention. After Pedretti's team presented the concept at an energy storage developers conference in the US, Microsoft founder Bill Gates mentioned the company to his millions of followers. He wrote, "Wind and solar won't reach their potential until we vastly improve energy storage. There are some exciting companies working in this space, like Bill Gross and Andrea Pedretti's Energy Vault."
The tweet from Bill Gates made us known around the world, but that wasn't the only factor. After the official presentation, there was a lot of interest on the part of many different investors. But Bill Gates' tweet helped, of course.
Here in southern Switzerland, the vision is actually taking shape. The startup is well financed, thanks to a generous investment from Japan's SoftBank. And Tata Power, India's biggest electricity provider, has ordered a tower. The one here is a prototype. Andrea Pedretti has yet to prove that the idea really works. Because although the concept sounds simple, it's quite complicated to put into practice.
The most difficult part is the intelligent software that controls the crane autonomously. It has to grasp the concrete blocks and reposition them without vibrations and without any human involvement.
Once completed, this small-scale prototype will have the chance to prove itself as a future technology for energy storage.
Making the switch to renewables is a project that will be with us for years to come.